Hi, and welcome to another video that will teach you how to create a tech editing assignment in the Texas A&M Journal of Property Law. Today we are going to use the article about tiny homes written by my friend Robin Mills, who is now a Judge Advocate General with the United States Navy. And thanks to Robin, we get to use her article to demonstrate how you should be tech editing the pages assigned to you. So just like with the citation assignments, go to eCampus and find the article for editing. It will be posted in your respective time period folder. And after you download that, go to your technical editing assignments folder, which is in the assignment pickup menu. And by clicking on fall or whatever assignment that you are assigned that time, it will tell you when it is due at the top, when it's assigned. It will also tell you the exact pages of the article that you are responsible for editing. So once you write down the pages of the article and you've downloaded that article, go ahead and go over to the article. We're going to use Robin's as an example here. So the first thing you need to do is save it as the specific pages that you are editing. So first save it as the author's name, and then save it underscore the pages, maybe 1, maybe 3 that you're editing, and then under the second underscore do TE for technical edit, then do your initials, and then do your group. So if you're in Sarah's group, that's group 1. If you're in my group, that's Jacob, that's group 2. So for example, on this one, we are going to edit whatever pages this is, 9 and the following page. We're going to do this page because I've actually inserted some errors here. So the first thing you need to do is, instead of actually making changes, go ahead and highlight the parts that should be changed, and then do Control-Alt-M or insert a comment, and then after that, and after you highlight something that you suggest should be edited in some way, shape, or form, go ahead and write what that edit would look like. So, for example, insert a space between these words. There's not really a red book rule for that, besides just use proper spacing, so that's good enough. Obviously, EPA and wood are not the same word. Down here we have another word that's misspelled. So this one, in case the spelling isn't clear, because sometimes words are correctly spelled, they're just not the correct word for the sentence. There, for example, you would just do a correct spelling of the word. So in that case, that's how you correctly spell the word. And if you keep on going and you notice that most of the spelling is correct, grammar is correct. Sometimes you might notice that a few things like grammar are not correct, especially when it comes to passive voice. So you can highlight the entire passage, or you can highlight just the part of the sentence that does not appear to be correct. So for example here, neither the home nor its buyers seems affordable in this economy. We want to do the Red Book Rule 10.29C, which is, don't want the copyright, subject verb agreement, and this just lets your editor know what rule you're citing, what the rule is generally about, and then we can pass that information along to the author so that they know what the rule is also about. So again, you want to suggest what it would look like if it was correct. So neither the home nor its buyers seem, and that's the correction. And if you want to explain why, it's because the verb must agree with its closest subject. And then there's the rule. Don't worry about making it too informal, but please don't make it rude. And we want to make the best articles we can, so we're going to offer the best commentary we can. The last rule that I'm going to go over with you in this video is what to do when you get to the bottom of the page. Your page limit, actually your page count, does not expire when you get to the bottom of the page. If your sentence and the sentence at the bottom of it runs into the next page, you're responsible for that sentence as well, including a comment on the next page. And whatever your comment's about, make sure you save it, and then you can turn it into your turn-in folder.